Hey everyone, it's Whimsy Journal, and today we're doing a very impromptu video. I just got my Moterm package I've been waiting for, so I'm just gonna open them up and review and check out what we got. So I ordered 3 because they are hard to come by and they sell out, and I just wanted these ones really badly. So if you know anything about their packaging, they pack really tightly. This as painless as possible. It is really hard to open. I'm not even going to take out the entire box, but there's one. I obviously got 2 pocket planners because they are so cute. I'm just really into this size right now. And I haven't even completed my setup yet. I'm still waiting for stuff to come in the mail, but I am in a yellow croc, yellow brown leather, they call it right now. And I ordered obviously a pink croc color. And then this is the lychee leather in pink. They come in these little bags here. And, oh, interesting. This isn't as shiny as this one. The difference. And I ordered, you can request different papers in here, and I think I ordered 3 different papers for each. I'm gonna open them up real quickly. I also really enjoy the flyleaf. So here is the lychee pink. Wow, that's a really pale pink. It's kind of a dusty pink. Like in comparison, this is much brighter, obviously. Oh, cool. I got grid paper in this one. And I like the color of the lining in this lychee one. It's really cute. And this one is a personal size in the light gray color. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh, grid paper again. Okay, cool. I had forgotten what I chose, but that's awesome. Okay, so if this is your first video introducing yourself to the Moterm planners, I'll just walk through everything really quickly. So I really enjoy the flyleaf. They don't all come with a flyleaf, so make sure that's something that you want, that's going to be included with your order. I'm kind of glad this one isn't as shiny as this one, because now it's just like something different. Maybe it will shine over time, but when I got this one, it looked just like this. So we'll see if this one shines up over time. But the pocket size comes with a flyleaf here, a pocket zipper pocket over here to put your change in. A side pocket here. A side pocket here. Card slots. Sometimes you need to break these open yourself. At least that's what my experience was with a couple of these. Pen loop. Just, it's not elasticized or anything. It's pretty large. And then this fly leaf comes with 3 card slots. 1, gotta break it in. 2, 3, like so. And then of course the gorgeous back pocket to put papers and bills back here. So that is the pink Croco. And the hand of the leather is definitely a soft hand, but it's a little more firm than the lychee leather. I can do a comparison. So flyleaf with 1, 2, 3 pockets, and they're pretty deep. Your card will stick out if, with a regular credit card. This is just a business card, but just so you can see, it's tucked in all the way there, and it just barely hits the top. So, the lychee leather also comes with zipper pocket. Inside pocket, your inserts, another inside pocket here, and 4 card slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and another, I would say, wide pen loop. It's pretty stiff. You could train it over time, but I don't know if I'll even use these. I might just want to keep it folded. And then your gorgeous back pocket. So let's put the fly leaf in here. And then I'll compare it, the hand, to the croc. So I'll do this at the same time. This is much stiffer. That gives you any indication. Same amount of pressure. This is much more flexible. This is still really flexible. This is just more flexible. I hope that helps some of you make a decision. I know that was something that I was worried about. But they're really different, and I love both. Wow, those two look so cute together. Look at my collection now. How cute is that? Okay. Now for the personal size. Flyleaf comes with 3 card slots as well, but the orientation of them is in the middle. Your card can fit lengthwise in here. This one, the particular one, doesn't. That's how deep it is. Yeah, let's see if I have. Oh, here. Okay. Ooh, it's pretty snug. That's what that looks like. With a card tucked into the flyleaf. And I really like the style of this personal size. Let me just put the flyleaf in here so you can see it all put together. These rings are really nice. The ones that I purchased on Amazon weren't as nice as these ones, but anyway. So the personal size comes with a zipper pocket. No like zipper protector here like the pocket size though. There is a side pocket this way. and a little side pocket this way. And there is this little like pocket right here. In the advertisement, I saw them put a cell phone in here like that. I don't know. I'm using my cell phone right now to record, so I can't like see if it actually fits in there, but here's a calculator. And that seems to fit pretty okay. So fly leaf, all your inserts. You get a pretty decent amount of inserts too that come with the planner. Layer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slot pockets in the back. Where's my example card? So it would look like that. Let's just see for reference. This business card must be just slightly taller than standard. Yeah, it is. So anyway, this pen loop is elasticized. Pretty stretchy. You know, I would say it's still pretty large loop. And then you have a back kind of, I don't know, is this considered secretarial pocket? And then your gorgeous back cover, as per usual. I can't remember if the lining is the same color. Yeah, it looks like they use the same lining color. Let's see about this one. This one is a little bit darker. Well, much darker, it's black. So I'm not sure if it's just coincidence that these two happen to have the same lining color or what. So that's that. I'm really excited to set these up. I probably won't use both of these at the same time. I'm really only just gonna use one pocket planner for now, and then I use a personal size for work. But the one that I have right now, I'm just like not in love with the color, unfortunately. But this I like, this I can work with. All right, I hope that was informative, and let me know if you want more videos on these, or if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer or make a follow-up video. All right, everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.